Hey friends, welcome to another video. This video is all about the comparison of Kawasaki Ninja 500 with its close rivals. That is, the complete specifications of Kawasaki Ninja 500 will be compared with its close rival models. Alright, let's get started. The Kawasaki Ninja 500 is likely to replace the Ninja 400 in India, and it has its legitimate rivals in Aprilla RS 457, Yamaha YZF R3 and KTM RC 390. Here is a quick specification check to see how the Ninja 500 competes against its rivals on paper. The Kawasaki Ninja 500 is now on sale in India and is priced at Rs 5,24,000 ex-showroom in Delhi. There is a speculation that the 500 may replace the 400 in India, but it is yet to be confirmed. The Kawasaki Ninja 500 has three strong rivals to contend within the segment. Two of those are fairly new, and the one has been around for a while. Yes, we are talking about the Aprilla RS 457 and the Yamaha YZF R3, along with the KTM RC 390, which has been around for a while. Now let's see how the Ninja 500 competes against these rival models. The Ninja 500 is of course the most expensive motorcycle. The R3 is priced at Rs 4,60,000 ex-showroom, while the Aprilla RS 457 is priced at 4,10,000 rupees ex-showroom. The KTM RC 390 is the most affordable model at Rs 3,18,000 ex-showroom. But then it also gets a single cylinder engine and gets the maximum features in terms of electronics such as a bi-directional quick shifter, full color TFT display, traction control, cornering ABS and supermoto ABS. All of these bikes get dual channel ABS as standard, but the RC 390 outshines them all. Now let's quickly compare the specifications of Kawasaki Ninja 500 versus its rivals. Kawasaki Ninja 500 has a displacement of 451cc. KTM RC 390 has a displacement of 373cc. Aprilla RS 457 has a displacement of 457cc. And finally, the Yamaha YZF R3 has 321cc. Coming to the engine, Kawasaki Ninja 500 has liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. RC 390 has single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine. Aprilla RS 457 has liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. Yamaha YZF R3 has liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. The max power of Kawasaki Ninja 500 is 44.8 bhp at 9000 rpm. RC 390 has a max power of 43 bhp at 9000 rpm. The Aprilla RS 457 has a max torque of 47 bhp at 9400 rpm. Yamaha YZF R3 has a max power of 41 bhp at 10,750 rpm. Now talking about the peak torque, Kawasaki Ninja 500 has a peak torque of 42.6 Nm at 6000 rpm. Duke RC 390 has a peak torque of 37 Nm at 7000 rpm. The Aprilla RS 457 has a peak torque of 43.5 Nm at 6700 rpm. The Yamaha YZF R3 has a peak torque of 29.5 Nm at 9000 rpm. Talking about the gearboxes, all these models comes up with 6-speed gearboxes. Here we can see the KTM RC 390 is the only motorcycle which gets a single cylinder engine. Rest all others get a parallel twin engine. The Aprilla RS 457 makes the maximum power and the maximum torque, while the Ninja 500 comes second. The Yamaha R3 has the lowest power and torque output among all four motorcycles here. Also, it has the lowest displacement at 321cc. Here are the complete details of the chassis and dimensions of all these four models. Here you can see the complete information about the chassis type, seat heights, ground clearance, front suspension, rear suspension, fuel capacity, curb weight, and so on. From the above comparison, we can see the Yamaha R3 is the lightest bike here with a curb weight of 169 kg only. Although the heaviest bike, which is the Aprilla RS 457, is just 6 kg heavier. Surprisingly, the Ninja 500 gets telescopic fork, while the rest of them gets USD fork. The suspension travel is more or less similar in all motorcycles. The Japanese bikes have the lowest seat height and have a fuel capacity of 14 liters. The Europeans have taller seat heights, particularly the RC390, whose seat height is more than that of the Himalayan and is the same as that of the Scrambler 400X. The Aprilla has the smallest fuel tank here. The R3 has the best ground clearance, while the Ninja 500 has the lowest ground clearance. Now let's quickly compare the brakes and tires of Kawasaki Ninja 500 with its rivals. Here in this table you can see the specifications associated with the front brake, front tire and rear tire. Usually the European motorcycles have a bigger 320 mm disc up front, while the Japanese models get smaller discs up front. The Yamaha R3 gets the smallest front disc. All four motorcycles get a 220 mm disc at the rear. Again, the Yamaha gets the skinnier tires than the rest of the motorcycles. Alright folks, that was a quick comparison of all the specifications of Kawasaki Ninja 500 with its close rivals. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to this channel for similar sort of contents, and you all have a great day ahead.